So by the end of this video, you will have a chatbot and a voice agent deployed into your website that interact with your customers, assists them, and provide helpful information and help them book and schedule meeting with you. So just like the one you are looking at right now, when I come to Mizan AI and I say something like this, hey, I want to book an appointment, she's going to respond right now. So, hey, how can I help you with that? Not just like that, I could chat with her and I could speak with her with my voice. So,
hi, I'm Noor, the assistant here at Mizan AI. What's the part of your business that's eating the most time right now?
I need to book an appointment.
Okay, what made you look into booking a call with us?
All right, that is what we are going to build, a chatbot and with voice and configure it with our Google Calendar. This is the exact job someone posted in Upwork and I'm going to build for him. So he said, I need a chatbot help me with customer interaction with my practice, digestive surgeon. The chatbot should be able to answer common questions, provide helpful information, and assist with scheduling meetings. I'm looking for someone who can create a reliable, user-friendly experience that supports smooth communication with patients and improve overall engagement. Hell yeah, you come to the right place. So if you want something like this, just come to my Mizan AI, where I started this complete new AI agency, just me. I'm helping businesses implement AI into their business. So what I do, I build custom AI voice agent and I build a personal operating system or a company operating system for marketing, e-commerce, or lead generation, or recruitment teams. These are the things I will help you to do. So first thing we do, just book a free discovery call and I will map out how AI can be deployed into your business, and I will design and build a voice agent or a solution for your business, and I will deploy it into your business and you will grow. So come to Mizan AI, book a free call. So see you there, and let's go back to the video. So first of all, these are the 4 steps. I'm going to go through them one by one to build this website and deploy the chatbot. So the steps are, first of all, build the website and then deploy the chatbot and sync with the Google Calendar or cal.com. I'm going to use cal.com, and then I'm going to use ElevenLab for the voice agent and the chatbot. As you might see, they said they need a chatbot, and that helped them schedule meetings. So these other steps, it's only 4 steps, it's no complication at all, 4 easy steps. We are going to follow them one by one. So here's the rule. I'm going to give my AI 1 prompt, no follow-ups, no fixing at all. 1 prompt, do all of this with single shot. So the prompt is going to be /goal. If you are familiar with Claude Code or agentic coding, goal mean an agent. You're going to launch a sub-agent and going to build them one by one, and it's not going to report back to me until it finished. And I'm going to define what's done mean just in a minute in my prompt. So, and the second thing is, I'm going to get the API key from cal.com and ElevenLab. So to shoot this with 1 prompt, I need to give the API key to configure my scheduling or my booking system, which is cal.com, and voice agent and chatbot from ElevenLabs. So let's go to these platforms and get their API keys and store them in our project folder, and get that project folder to Claude and prompt it with our prompt. So first of all, this is cal.com. It's just a booking system like Google Calendar. You will see your availability, your booking. So to get your API key from cal.com, just come to settings and you will see you have API key, create API key. I already created API key and name it digestive surgeon. So to create a new, just create a new API key, name it something X, Y, and Z, and then the expiration date, and then create your API key, and yes, copy this API key, and I'm going to show you where to save it. So copy that your API key and save it in your clipboard, and then let's go to ElevenLab as well. So inside ElevenLab, come to developer, and then API key, and then create new API key, and also name it the same, something to remember, and then restrict the key. Don't restrict any key because we need all these tools. We need speech to text, we need text to speech, and then we need sound effect. We don't need sound effect, we just need 2. So you could restrict the rest of them, but I recommend you to leave all of them. So don't restrict anything and create your API key and get both of them, and let's go to our Claude agent. I'll open a folder with our Claude agent. So for this, I'm using Visual Studio Code with Claude Code extension inside Visual Studio Code. As you might notice, I already opened this folder inside Visual Studio Code called Surgery Voice Agent. To open a folder from here, just from your Mac, click Command and O, and this will open your Finder, and you will go and open a folder, or you could create a new folder if you haven't created any. So I already have this folder ready here inside my AI project demos, and you might see I have surgery voice agent. Open that and you will see you have local environment file. This is my local environment file. These are the keys, I stored them here. So I have ElevenLab key and I have a cal.com API key. Don't worry about all of these other tools. The agent is going to find them and bring them here. So the voice ID, the scope, the cal event, the event in your Google Calendar, the time zone, all of this, the agent is going to create himself. So, and this is a prompt we are going to give our agent. Look at this prompt. It starts with goal command, and then I defined what done mean. Done mean all of these 6 things are created. A website, a landing page, a plain HTML, and then the voice agent in ElevenLab, and then configure that voice agent with our cal.com, and then a chatbot with system prompt, and then all of them are running. So I gave it this prompt, as I said in my rule, and I walked away. The agent, as you might see, is still working, and I clicked pass permission. So the agent is still working, and it created everything right now, just still the website, even the website index HTML is being created. So I'm going to open this website in my browser to view it. So the agent's still working, still not finished yet, but I'm going to open it anyway to see where we are right now. So inside my surgery voice agent, I'm going to go inside and I'm going to go to website and then index HTML. I'm going to open it, and voila, it's still like not finished yet. So I'm going to wait for my AI agent to finish, and then I will come back. So as you might see, everything is still a placeholder. We have a business name, we have a phone display, and we have a voice agent widget display as well. So it's still not finished. Everything is as a placeholder right now. So it's rather created this in a local host. So this is the local host, the website inside localhost, not the index HTML. I was wrong there. So I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to open this in my browser. So instead of this HTML, I'm going to open localhost. So voila, we have our website and we have our voice agent and a chatbot. Her name is Sophia. You could talk to Sophia and we could chat with her. First, let's just chat with her and say, hey, I want to book an appointment with the doctor. And she's probably going to respond, yeah, certainly you would like to book initial consultation with Mr. Whitefield. All right. So she's responding right now with our text. Let's test our voice and see how she sounds and how the appointment is going to be, how the conversation is going to be.
Hello, you're through to Riverside Digestive Surgery. I'm Sophia, Mr. Whitfield's practice assistant. I can help with appointments, fees and insurance, or how to prepare for a procedure. What can I do for you?
Well, I want to book a consultation appointment with the doctor, initial consultation for today.
Let me check Mr. Whitfield's diary for you for today.
All right.
I'm sorry, there are no appointments available for today, Friday the 8th of August. Would you like me to check for another day?
All right, maybe tomorrow.
I'm sorry, there are no appointments available for tomorrow either. Mr. Whitfield usually has consultations on Saturday mornings, but it seems he is fully booked this Saturday. Would you like me to check for next week?
All right, yeah.
Yes, there are a few slots available next week. On Monday, the 11th of August, Mr. Whitfield has an opening at 10 in the morning and another at 12:30 in the afternoon. On Tuesday, the 12th, there are also slots at 10 in the morning and 12:30 in the afternoon.
All right.
Would any of those times suit you?
All right, on Tuesday, the 12th, I want the morning slot.
Certainly. So that's for an initial consultation with Mr. Whitfield on Tuesday, the 12th of August at 10 o'clock in the morning. May I please have your full name, email address, and the best phone number to reach you on?
Oh, my name is Mahmoud Hussein, and my email address is mah@gmail.com. My phone number is 070907090713.
Thank you, Mr. Hussein. Just to confirm, your email address is mah@gmail.com, and your phone number is 070907090713. Is that correct?
Yes, you're right. You're lovely, dude. Oh, girl.
Excellent. Your initial consultation with Mr. Whitfield is now booked for Tuesday, the 12th of August at 10 o'clock in the morning. A confirmation email with all the details will be sent to ma@gmail.com shortly. The fee for this consultation is £250, payable on the day. Please remember to bring photo ID, a list of your medications and allergies, and your insurance details if you are using them. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
All right, thank you. Bye. All right, that was lovely and quick. So as you can see, my cal.com sent an email for me just right now at 9:02 and at 9:02. So this was the meeting were booked with between Mahmoud Hussein and Mahmoud Hussein. So it's Cal video. So the guest is me, the host is me, and when is Wednesday on August 12th. So we could go to inside our ElevenLab and we will look at the conversations with our agents. So I have many agents here. So inside ElevenLab, go to ElevenLab agent, not ElevenLab creative, to look at your agent. So inside ElevenLab, go to ElevenLab and then look at more agent. I have many agents. I don't know which one was that. I think Riverside Surgery. Yes, this was our agent. So from here we could configure our agent and we could look at the conversations, the knowledge base, the analysis, the tools, the guardrails, everything in here. So first of all, this is the agent and this is the system prompt, the most important one. We have the system prompt, we have the personality, her environment, the rules, and everything we need our agent to do live here in this system prompt. And then we could choose a voice from here, from ElevenLab library voices. We could change to male or female. And then also we have another thing, which is tools. We could add tools like our cal.com, our Google Calendar if you're using Google Calendar. We could add many other tools. We could add new tools through webhook, our client tool, our integration tool. So these are the tools we could add. So we have cal.com, we have Google Calendar, and we have Twilio, which it's a phone number, and there are many tools. We could add Calendly, Cursor, all these tools. I don't know the rest of them as well. You have Google Drive, this WhatsApp as well. You could configure this with your WhatsApp. So this is the voice agent and the widget. So we could also look at your conversations. So this was the conversation just 2 minutes ago. I can go inside this conversation and look at the transcript, what I said, what my agent said, everything will be saved here in the conversation. And then I could go inside channels and we'll look at the widget we have just seen inside this website. So this is the widget. We could customize it as we want. So inside the widget, this is our widget, and we get this ID, and then we deploy this ID in our website, in the back end of our website. So this is the widget. We could customize this widget, the interface, the setting. So you could change also the color, and then the link. You could add your logo if you have a logo, add an image for your website, and you could they have many editing styling you could add here. So this is how we build a voice agent with chatbot in our website that interact with our customers and book real meetings or appointment with us. So if you want to deploy this into your business, again, come to Mizan AI, book a free call, and I will deploy this AI agent into your business. And if you want this prompt, this initial prompt, just join my free school community. I will leave the link below, AIOL. So this free school community, AIOL, come to AIOL and I will leave the link, the prompt in this school community. So see you there and peace.